Chef Jennifer Booker, the owner and executive chef of Your Resident Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a frozen banana monkey drink. Here are your ingredients. You need a fresh ripe banana, some vanilla flavored yogurt, some pure vanilla extract, and some honey. This is a very simple drink to make. We're going to make it in our blender, and we'll start with some crushed ice. So we'll get that set up, and then we'll go ahead and get our banana sliced. Make sure you cut the end off because that has the seeds and they're very bitter. So we'll just slice it into big chunks. And depending on how sweet you like your drinks, you can use a much riper banana or one that's not so ripe. Okay, so we'll add all of our banana. Next, we'll add our yogurt. Now you can use a low-fat yogurt, Greek yogurt, full-fat yogurt, and you can also change the flavor. You don't have to use vanilla. You could use peach if you wanted to. We'll add our vanilla extract. And then we'll add some honey. Now the great thing about honey is you can change the flavor. You could use orange blossom, clover, tupelo. It's really up to you. And finally, we'll blend it. Let's give it a stir. And blend it one more time. Okay. Now we'll add it to our glass. Looks really, really great. Add our straw. And there you have it, your frozen banana monkey drink. I'm Your Resident Gourmet. Enjoy.